Hello all, welcome to session 19 of the PySpark series. So in this session, we will see how we do sorting in Spark SQL. So we will understand how to do sorting based on single column and based on multiple columns as well. Okay, more than one columns in Spark SQL. Before that, I think we have learned a lot in last two sessions, session 17 and session 18. Okay, so let's just do a quick recap because I feel that can be uh, a more extra to those who are learning it for the first time, right? Those who already have some experience in PySpark, they might feel that easy, okay, easy and few new ways they must have got. But let's try to recap what we have learned, okay? So basically, the default sorting order, okay, is ascending order. Okay, so it is just that we have created the data frame. Okay, usual activities we have done. Okay, so we have created the data frame that we needed. Okay, and as we have seen, default sorting order is ascending order. So if we don't specify any sorting order, okay, it will do sorting in ascending order. Okay, and the first transformation for sorting we have seen is by using order by. Okay, so we have seen multiple ways, okay, to do I would say sort the data based on employee ID column in ascending order. Okay, the first is like we have not specified any order. By default, it has taken the ascending order. Then we have specified ascending equals to true. Okay. Then what we have used is dot ASC function. Okay. And F dot ASC function. Right. Uh, Fine. Now, for descending, what we have done is we have just set ascending equals to false. There is dot DESC function is one way and F dot DESC is another way. Okay. So for descending, we have seen three methods using three ways using order by transformation. Then there is sort transformation, which gives almost, not almost, similar results as that of order by. Okay. So again, sort we have done in ascending order. Okay. Based on employee salary column where we have not specified any order by default. It has taken it as ascending order. Sorry. Okay. And we have specified ascending equals to true. Then dot ASC function, F dot ASC function. Okay. And for descending, we have specified ascending equals to false. Okay. Dot DSC function and F dot DSC function. Okay. So in session 17 we have seen how to do a sorting based on one column. Okay. Now in session 18, we move to doing sorting based on multiple columns. Okay. So we have seen how it works in multiple columns. I would like to explain it one more time that might be confusing for a few. Okay. So maybe repeating, but that's fine. Uh, let's just look at that again, right? We will take three columns now. Okay. For example, employee ID 1, Ganesh, employee salary 100,000. Okay. Employee ID 2, for example, uh, Rakesh. Okay. And employee salary, let's say same 1,000. Okay. Then 3, uh, Rohit. Okay. Salary 2,000. Okay. I'm just explaining once again so that uh, the confusion, right? As internally, we should be able to understand how it work. Okay. Now, uh, 4, let me just check this example. Fine, I've just paused the video to just think of uh, the right, you know, right example to explain this. Okay, so I have gave it a thought and tried to create an example. Let's see how it works now. So, for example, I have this data. Okay, now what I want to do. sort based on AMP, let's say salary, DSC, for example, descending. Okay. Then EMP, name, let's say DSC. Okay. And EMP ID, DSC. Let's say all three I have to do DSC, right? Uh, I'll explain first how to, how this it will work here in case of this example. Okay. Sorry. Now, so- okay. Let me copy. Okay. Now, what it will do first? It will go for employee salary. Okay. It will sort employee salary in descending order. So what we have descending 2000, 2000, 2000. Okay. Let me show that 2000. Okay. Then 2000, 2000. Okay. Then 1000, 1000 and 1000. Okay. Now, what is next? Employee name descending. So in 2000, this 2000 partition, let's think of employee name. What we have descending, Dhiraj should come first, right? Dhiraj, Akshay, and Akshay. Okay. So Dhiraj, Dhiraj. Okay. Akshay. Okay. Okay. And Akshay. Right. What's next? Employee ID DESC. Okay. Now, see, we have only one Dhiraj, only and salary of Dhiraj is 2000. So we have only one choice for this partition. Okay, so it will keep that as it is, right? Six will be kept as it is. Now, for this partition, let's say salary 2000 and employee name Akshay. What choice we have? We have two choices. Okay, now it has already sorted based on employee salary DSC and employee name DSC. Okay, now employee ID DSC. So what will happen is 5 will come first. Employee Akshay with employee ID 5 will come first, and employee Akshay with employee ID 4 will go to the third position, right? This is how it will work, right? I hope now this is clear, okay? Because earlier we have taken how many? Um, Two columns. Now we have taken three columns, okay? Now, what will happen for 1000? Again, let me explain you again. What will happen? Employee salary DSC that has already it has done. The records we have. Now, employee name DSC. What will happen? Rakesh will come first. Okay. So, Rakesh, right? Rakesh. Then it will be Ganesh and uh, Ganesh, right? Fine. So, now see. Rakesh 1000, we have only one option for this partition, right? So what will happen? What is the employee ID of Rakesh? It is 2. 2. It will come as it is. Now, for this partition, we have two options. Okay, we have two options. And here in this one, I have to sort based on employee ID descending. Okay, so Ganesh employee with employee ID 3, Ganesh with employee ID 3 will come first, and Ganesh with employee ID 1 will come in the end, right? This is how it work, okay? Right. When it comes to sorting by three columns or sorting by not three, sorting by multiple columns, okay? It will take first, then it will take partition of first two, and then third. If we have four columns, it will take partition of first three, and accordingly it will sort, right? And let's say just to revise, right? Let's understand. Let me see if cluster has started. Okay, it has started. Okay, so just for understanding, just for revision, how the code for this problem how we can write the code for this problem statement is order by, okay, F.col, okay. What is the column? EMP salary, okay. What next? We have EMP name, okay. EMP name, okay. And what next? EMP ID. So let me copy this. EMP ID. EMP ID. Okay. And what we will do, we have to write ascending equals to what? False, false, false. Okay. Let's try to run this. I think we have all these columns in place. Okay. Let's try to run this. I'm just telling you again one more time so that you have good revision, okay, of what we have learned. Right. Fine, I think this has worked. Df dot display, okay, df dot, right. So this way we will do sorting based on one column, and there are uh, two more ways using order by f dot DESC or dot DESC function, and you again three ways using sort by that you all know by now. Fine, fine. So this was what we have learned so far in I would say session 17 and session 18. Now session 19. Um, as usual, what let's do one thing. Let's see how we will do sorting in Spark SQL, right? It's simple. Those who know SQL, I think it will be easy for them. But those who don't know, I'm here to explain you, right? So what we'll do, Spark.SQL. Now here, you know why I have used create or replace temp view, right? Because again, one more time I'm reiterating, because I want this view only for the Spark session that I'm working. I don't want this view to work cross Spark sessions. Okay. So now first is what, let's say sorting based on single column. Okay. Select from employee. Okay. Order by. Here we have order by clause. Okay. And select staff from employee, order by EMP ID DSC. Okay. Display. It will order by employee ID in descending order. Okay. Now, what if I want to order by based on one column in ascending order? I either I don't specify anything, okay, or either I specify ASC. So here, what I have done, I have not specified anything, so it has ordered in ascending order. Okay, default sorting order we have seen it is ascending order, right? And if I specify ASC, that is also fine. It will do sorting in ascending order, right? So this is how sorting. It's very simple. Sorting in Spark SQL in ascending order and descending order based on one column, right? Let me see if sort by is there. Let's see. Select star from employee sort by. Okay, I think it is there. EMP ID DSC. Okay. Fine. It's there. Let's see. Fine. So in SQL also we have order by and sort by, right? Performance difference of order by and sort by, I'll let you know. It's very interesting to know how it works internally and what are the differences. Okay, so that I'll let you know. But as of now, we have again in SQL two ways, right? Order by, sort by. Fine. So this is based on one column. Okay. Now let's see when we have to sort by two columns. Okay, one in descending and one in ascending order. Select star from employee order by what EMP ID. Let's say I have to sort based on employee ID in ascending order and employee salary DESC. Okay, dot display. Okay, so it has basically we don't have common we don't have same, let's say two employees having same salary. Okay, that's why, but it has sorted employee ID in ascending order and employee salary in descending order. Okay, that's how it works in Spark SQL. Okay, so now so far we have seen how sorting based on one column work in PySpark data frame and how it works in Spark SQL. In PySpark data frame, we have order by transformation and sort transformation. In case of Spark SQL, also we have order by and sort by. Okay, fine. I think this was interesting. Definitely for me to explain. Also, it was very interesting. I'm also exploring many new things here, right? So fine. That everything for this session. If you feel this is useful, do like, share, subscribe, okay, and share with those who need this, okay. If you have any suggestions, okay, do let me know in comment section. I'll definitely try to implement those, okay. That's everything for this session. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.